Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY. Right now market trading at 160.81. As we all know that GBPJPY is extremely bullish. In fact, we are seeing all the JPY pairs are extremely bullish. Okay, JPY pairs are flying right now. So if you have a sell position on GBPJPY right now, then my dear friend, you are playing with your hard-earned money. If I take you to the forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 89% retail traders have taken sell position. They are holding their sell position GBPJPY, and this is the market right now. Okay, this is the main reason I always say that follow the trend of the market, because whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market has only one rule, and the rule is follow the trend. And right now, if you have a sell position, you are going against the rule of the market, the only rule of the market. Okay, so stop playing with your hard-earned money. Okay, and please be very careful, and please use proper risk management as well. This market has made a top of 161.12. This is the top made by the GBPJPY. If market reverses from here, well and good, but considering the present situation, there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. So if market breaks 161.12 and starts going up, then please do exit from your selling position, because this market is extremely bullish right now. And why is it bullish? You'll find the answer on the chart of Japanese yen index. See, this is the daily chart of JXY, Japanese yen index, and see, just look at the condition of the market right now, and you can see that there is no support also. Okay, if I take you to the weekly chart, then you can see that we have a support around 79.50 level, around 79.50 level. Apart from this level, we do not have any support right now. So there is a possibility that the weakness on JPY, Japanese yen, will continue. And if the weakness continues, there will be heavy buying on all the Japanese yen pairs. All the Japanese yen pairs will fly. Okay, if the weakness continues. And if we look at the currency strength meter, then see GBP is the strongest currency and JPY is the weakest currency of the day. So there is a high possibility that the market will continue to remain bullish for the day as well. So in this market situation, buying at retracement is the only trading opportunity. Honestly speaking, I was looking for a retracement opportunity yesterday, but I could not find. And today also, I do not think that we will get a proper retracement level. Let me show you. See, if we take help of the Fibonacci retracement here, then you can see that the next retracement level is around 158.77. And I don't think so that in this market condition, market will be testing this level when GBP is the strongest currency and JPY is the weakest currency. So the possibility of market testing this level is very less here. So things are very tough here to understand where to get the entry here. Okay, because if you take a buy position here, then risk to reward ratio is also not in our favor. Okay, so in that case, what we can do is that we can go to a lower time frame like 1 hour, or we can also go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so in the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that more or less market is taking support near the blue line, the 50 moving average here. Okay, so if market takes support and bounces from here, you can try to take a buy position, but be very careful with the stop loss. Okay, and on the other hand, if market breaks this level, then also you can go for buy as well, considering it as a breakout. Okay, so considering it as a breakout, you can consider a buy if market breaks 161.12 level, and if market takes support at the 50 moving average on the lower time frame, okay, then also you can take a buy position. But because as of now we do not have any proper what to say retracement level also, and practically the possibility of market testing those levels are very less now. Okay, so be careful, use proper risk management and stop loss, and be careful. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.